Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change website footer content. Let's say what I mean. I am going to show you how you can change this footer area using our drag and drop widget builder. Let's go to the website admin panel. Just go to appearance settings. Click on widget builder. Here you will see options for all available widgets. Here there are two widgets area. One is footer widget area, another one is block sidebar widget area. We are going to change content in footer widget area. Click on this bottom arrow. If you click on this down arrow, you will see all the settings for this about us widgets. So it's available for all the languages. You can add data for all the languages to show it as per user given data. So let's change this description to it another thing so that you can understand how the things work. This is a test description. Scroll down. Click on Save Changes button. Now click on Visit Websites. Scroll bottom. Here you see it already changed with the content we have inputted. So basically all the other process is same. You can change this pages list content. Go to widget builder once again and click on the down arrow and click on the custom page link. And now you see all the options for add your own text and URL to build this menu. Let me add another one so that I can show you how it works. Click on there, text menu item, make it give the URL of https google.com. click on save changes, get back to the website, reload the page. You see the text menu item is added. Now if you click on it, it will open you the google.com, the URL you have inputted. So this is how you can change the footer content using the drag and drop page builder. The process is same for change block page sidebar widget, which is available in single page. You can change this content from the admin panel widgets area, block sidebar widget area. This is the same exactly same process I have shown you for footer widget area. So I hope you understand guys how you can change these things from the admin panel using our drag and drop widget builder very easily. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.